Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a menorah. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our menorah, let's begin right here on our paper. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to come straight across. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'll come up right here. Then right underneath here, I'm just going to make another little curved line, just for some detail. Next, I'm going to draw a straight line down, and then another straight line down right here. I'll put another little curve here, and a little curve right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I'm going to draw a curved line right here. And then I'll make a second curved line right here for the base of our menorah. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line across. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll put another little line across right here. I'll draw a line that's going to come down and up. I'll do one right here. We're just going to go down and up. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve in. And I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve out, and we can go up. And then we're just going to come down and in. And we'll just go down and in, trying to line them up as best we can. Next, I'll make another little line here, and then a little line here. We're going to go down and up on each one, trying to keep them all at the same level. And then this one, I'm going to just curve down and in. And I'll curve it down and in. Same thing here, down and in. And then down and in. Do this again. We'll draw a straight line across. Straight line across. We will make our kind of smiley face shape underneath here, just kind of going down and up. Then we'll do this again. We'll come down and over. Down and over. Same thing here. We're just going to go down and over. And then down and over. And then finally, we're going to do our last set out here. So I'm going to draw a line across. And then a line across. We'll make our smiley face shape on each side. And then I'm going to draw my line down. And draw this line down again. And then we'll do the same thing here. I'm going to draw this line down. And I'm going to draw this line down here. Now, underneath each one of these, I'm going to make a little curved line. Just to kind of add a little bit of detail on our menorah. Now, at the top here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down for the candle. And then I'm just going to make a little wiggly line right there to make it look like some wax is melting. Now for the flame, I'm going to draw a line that curves out and up. And then we'll just curve it down. Make sure it's pointy at the top. So now I'm going to do this to all these. So we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, over, and down. And I'm going to do this to each one. So we're just going to do this on every single one. And I'm just going to keep doing this to each one. So I'm just going to keep adding these all across here. And then we'll make some little wavy lines on here. You can make these wavy lines a little different on each one just to make it look a little more realistic and not so much like it was all just, the same and perfect. And then on each one of these, let's add a little flame. You can make the flames kind of going different directions. It's totally up to you. It's going to be your choice and your call for your menorah. And there you go. There is your drawing of a menorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.